Today I'm going to show you how to draw an elephant with 3-4 seconds, but in an easy way. Follow me, please. Look now, whatever. Here, eyes. Here, you know, just we have to draw the eyes. You just give them more light, and then you can equilibrate the color, because white and black have to be, and then you add some details. Right? Did you get it? Did you see? Watching my camera there. Like that, we have to add some dark here to put the eye inside. Yes, now it's better. Okay? It's not perfect, but it's easy. So, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any question or idea, or if you want me to draw something else for the next video. So, let's see you in the next video.